Hello, and thank you for choosing Sherry Vans in Piqua, Ohio. My name is Chad Bruce, and today we're going to be having a look at a 2022 Chevy Explorer 7-passenger that we just got in. It's barely used. Let's have a look. It's black with silver 20-inch rims here, with the double doors, the 40/60 split with power running board. You get inside, we've got these two captain's chairs here, our child safety tethers for car seat. This chair will slide forward and back. They're also on quick release pedestals. Chair right down there, so you push that little clip down, grab that handle, pull it towards yourself, releases this whole chair, and you can pull it out. Also, they spin around 360 degrees. You just spin them around. You can have them both facing back here. There is a power bench here. This will make down into a bed. Little armrest there. Like the diamond stitching. It's fancy looking. This has the Vista Cruiser roof added to it. Adds 10 inches. It's LED lighting up here. Also got this glass insert. You look up in there, that does have a side curtain airbag on both sides. That is it's a GM part, but it's obviously not in this van when it's comes from GM. This starts off as just a cargo van. This is something like a plumber and HVAC guy would be working out of, and the Explorer Van Company turns it into this luxury 7-passenger. They put these windows in, they make these molds for the panels here, add all this stuff in here. They make these seats from hand, with all the stitching and stuff themselves. Got lit up cup holders here. There's a 12-volt power supply. Got USB ports on both sides. And then there's 4 speakers in here that are for that 29-inch television up here. So we got a Vizio. And here is the LG Blu-ray player. We've got wireless headsets. There's 2 of them, and there's 2 more in there, so we got 4 wireless headsets. When you have these TV speakers, switch to off right there. You use the headsets, hit TV speakers to on, and it comes through these 4 speakers up there. And then there's 120 volt plug for if you got like a PlayStation or an Xbox or something like that. Got power seats for the driver and the passenger seat, and then there's heat and lumbar on both of those. Then we'll have a take a look here at the outside. So again, this is a 2022 Chevy Explorer 7-passenger. All of the details of this van, price, and some photos and stuff will be in the first comment to this video. Will also be a link with my direct contact information if you have any questions about the van. But let's have a look at the outside. So as I was saying earlier, this starts off as just a cargo van, like a plumber or something be working out of. And the Explorer Van Company paints the mirrors and puts these fender flares on here, makes everything body color, paints the bumper to body color. Puts these ground effects on here. So we've got a power running board for the driver as well. Then they make this fiberglass cap that goes on the top that adds the 10 inches. Paint this back bumper body color. This does have 4 reverse sensors in there. Got a class 4 hitch with 7-pin and 4-pin wiring, so you can pull a camper, boat, whatever. This is rated to tow over 7,000 pounds. Got a reverse camera right here. These barn doors in the back. Accordion shades on all of the windows. Here is the sofa in the back. So you've got 24 inches of storage here. That will move forward another 6 inches. So you can get 30 inches. Move it all the way back to make it into the bed though. That third cushion pops up into the middle. We'll do this now. So it's 3-piece. That middle cushion pops up into the middle, makes a big bed here, and then like Like I told you earlier, those 2 captain's chairs will spin around, and if you have them turned around 180 degrees, it's going to add on like another 1.5 feet to this bed, so you could get someone really tall in here if you needed to. There is a little 12-volt vacuum cleaner there, and then a jack inside that. So you got a limo privacy tent on the windows. Not going to be able to see in there. Nice billet grill on the front. It's really sharp. Got the Chevy bow tie. And this license plate holder is also a step, so you can get up here, clean off your windshield to get underneath the hood. Here, driver and passenger seat. There's a button to turn those power running boards on and off if you wanted to do that for some reason. Auto windows, auto headlights, cruise control here, Bluetooth for your phone. Trying to see. Well, if I can find out how many miles this is. All right, it has 5,679 miles on it. And this is the radio here. This is a Stinger head unit. Looks like it's a 8-inch display, probably. Has Apple CarPlay, Android Audio, and then you put it into reverse here. That is your backup display, and then it is also in that mirror there. We've got rear climate control up there, and I thought there was another spot to get to it. There's not. So that's your rear climate control there. Climate control for up front. This is a cooler. Fit a 6-pack in there. And you've got power outlet there, OnStar. And these are the switches for the lights in the back. So again, I'm just gonna get that out of reverse. Be a good idea. Again, this is a 2022 Chevy 7-passenger, upfitted by the Explorer Van Company. We are Sherry Vans in Piqua, Ohio. My name is Chad Pruce. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe. The first comment has a link to this van with all the pricing, and there's also a link with my direct contact information. Number of the dealership is 937-778-0830. My extension is 1123. Again, this is Chad Pruce with Sherry Vans, 937-778-0830, extension 1123. Thanks.